Sexual Reproduction in Flowering Plants, a journey into the heart of floral life. Have you ever stopped to admire the intricate beauty of a flower? Beyond their aesthetic appeal, flowers are the epicenters of plant reproduction, orchestrating a delicate dance of life. Today, we'll embark on a fascinating journey into the world of sexual reproduction in flowering plants, unraveling the mysteries behind their vibrant colors and captivating scents. We'll explore the intricate structures, the ingenious processes, and the remarkable adaptations that allow these botanical wonders to perpetuate their species. Get ready to witness the floral symphony of life. At the heart of sexual reproduction in flowering plants lies the flower itself. This specialized structure houses the essential organs responsible for creating new life. Let's dissect the flower and examine its key components. The flower typically consists of four main parts: sepals, petals, stamens, and pistil. Sepals are the protective, leaf-like structures that enclose the developing bud. Petals, often brightly colored and fragrant, attract pollinators. The stamen is the male reproductive organ, consisting of the filament and anther, where pollen grains are produced. The pistil, the female reproductive organ, comprises the stigma, style, and ovary, which contains the ovules. Pollination is the crucial first step in sexual reproduction, involving the transfer of pollen grains from the stamen to the pistil. This transfer can occur through various agents including wind, water, insects, birds, and even mammals. Wind-pollinated flowers, like grasses, often have inconspicuous petals and produce copious amounts of lightweight pollen. Insect-pollinated flowers, on the other hand, boast vibrant colors, alluring scents, and nectar rewards to attract their buzzing partners. Birds, with their keen eyesight, are drawn to brightly colored tubular flowers with ample nectar. Some flowers even rely on bats or other mammals for pollination, showcasing the remarkable diversity of pollination strategies. Once a pollen grain lands on the stigma, it embarks on a remarkable journey towards the ovule. The pollen grain germinates, forming a pollen tube that grows down the style, carrying the sperm cells to the ovary. Inside the ovule, a process called double fertilization occurs, unique to flowering plants. One sperm cell fuses with the egg cell, forming the zygote, which will develop into the embryo. The other sperm cell fuses with the central cell, forming the endosperm, a nutrient-rich tissue that nourishes the developing embryo. Following fertilization, the ovule develops into a seed, containing the embryo and endosperm, enclosed within a protective seed coat. The ovary, in turn, develops into a fruit, which serves to protect the developing seeds and aid in their dispersal. Fruits come in a dazzling array of forms, from fleshy berries and juicy apples to dry nuts and winged samaras. Each fruit type is adapted to a specific dispersal mechanism, ensuring that seeds are carried away from the parent plant to new locations. Seed dispersal is essential for plant survival, preventing overcrowding and competition for resources. Plants employ a variety of strategies to disperse their seeds, utilizing wind, water, animals, and even explosive mechanisms. Wind-dispersed seeds, like those of dandelions and maple trees, are lightweight and often equipped with wings or plumes to catch the breeze. Water-dispersed seeds, like coconuts, are buoyant and can travel long distances across oceans. Animal-dispersed seeds, like those of berries and burrs, are either eaten by animals or cling to their fur, hitching a ride to new territories. Some plants even have explosive fruits that forcefully eject their seeds, scattering them far and wide. Under favorable conditions, such as adequate moisture, temperature, and light, the seed germinates, initiating the growth of a new plant. The seed absorbs water, causing it to swell, and the seed coat to rupture. The radicle, or embryonic root, emerges first, anchoring the seedling in the soil and absorbing water and nutrients. The plumule, or embryonic shoot, then emerges, developing into the stem and leaves. The seedling relies on the endosperm for nourishment, until it can produce its own food through photosynthesis. Once established, the seedling grows into a mature plant, ready to repeat the cycle of sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction, while more complex than asexual reproduction, offers significant advantages to flowering plants. The mixing of genetic material from two parents results in offspring with greater genetic diversity. This genetic variation allows plants to adapt to changing environments, resist diseases, and evolve over time. Sexual reproduction also allows plants to colonize new habitats and exploit different ecological niches. Sexual reproduction in flowering plants is a remarkable process, a testament to the ingenuity and beauty of nature. From the intricate structures of the flower to the ingenious mechanisms of pollination and seed dispersal, every step is a marvel of adaptation and evolution. By understanding the intricacies of sexual reproduction, we gain a deeper appreciation for the vital role that flowering plants play in our ecosystems and in our lives. So, the next time you admire a flower, remember the incredible journey of life it represents, a journey that ensures the enduring legacy of these botanical wonders.